May mga lumalabas din po kasing accusations na finilter po yung kung sino man yung mga kakasuhan and hindi
That's not true.
kakasuhan.
We decide which case should first be investigated. We do it in accordance with the amount. The higher the amount, the priority is to investigate these big amounts involved in the PDAF.
That's one question.
Ma'am, the President said the Napoles case should be revisited. Are you not worried that this will waste all your previous efforts in
I
prosecuting?
don't know what he means revisiting of the Napoles case.
But
Hindi natin alam. To us, that's vague. So, no comment.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
By the way,
But
we
are
are
you
not worried.
that it might reverse your gains.
No, we're not worried because what we did was what we think is in accordance with law.
Ano pong nangyari sa investigation ng Ombudsman dun sa iba pang mga kasama sa Napoles list na hindi pa po nakasuhan sa Sandigan?
Some are undergoing fact-finding, some are undergoing preliminary investigation, some have been filed in court. You're aware of that.
Ma'am, yes ma'am. Pero may mga iba pa po kasi dun sa Napoles list na hindi pa po naiimbestigahan.
Yes,
Based
iya
po
kasi
sa-
about 240 yung congressmen ang na-mention ng audit report. So, ang dami-dami. But we target to finish all our investigations by the end of next year.